Hi, Paul Higgins here. What we're going to look at in this tutorial is how to create a chart from a georeferenced image. So first, what is a georeferenced image? And how do we georeference it? So we're going to use the view exec to georeference an image. And we're going to create a georeferenced MB tiles. And we're going to display the chart on OpenCPN. So what is a georeferenced image and how do we georeference it? So I have a bunch of files here in this directory called chart images. These are all georeferenced images. A cap chart has georeferencing information in its header followed by one image file. Some TIFF files have the image in it plus the georeferencing data is embedded in it. Some of these files have been calibrated by CClear's ChartCal or MapCal program, and they put their data in this here this file called ChartCal directory. Even a MB tiles is georeferenced images. It has one image for every zoom level. Usually it's a JPEG, and it also has metadata that georeferences the whole MB tiles. Now some of these you'll notice have both. Where is one here? This one here. This one here has a image plus a text file. So let's take a look at this here image and see what exactly it is. Okay, here it is. Let's resize it. It's an image file, a PNG file, and all image files are just a bunch of pixels with a color value for each pixel. And each pixel has a offset, an X offset and a Y offset. So if you were to take any pixel in here, see right there, and if you knew the X and Y offset and what latitude and longitude it was, that would provide a reference point. And you could do this in a couple places, and that would be enough to actually create a chart from it. The SatyaChart will take those reference points and expolate, or whatever you want to call it, to all the rest of the points. So up in the corner here, we have a point that actually has the longitude and latitude of that point. So if we were to take that point and take another point down at the bottom here, which also has the latitude and longitude, and we were to store that into some file and put the X offset and the Y offset of those 2 points plus their latitude and longitude, we could create a chart from that information. And that's what's in the other file. The text file has information. It tells you the upper right border, the X offset and the Y offset, and the latitude and longitude and the direction. So there's 2 points here, 3 points actually. This is a calibration point too. The more points you have, the better the more accurate the chart will be. So all you have to do is take some kind of program and get that information, and that's what we'll do next. So how do we get that information, the latitude and longitude and X and Y offset? Well, we can use a program that comes with SatyaChart. It's an image editor called View Exec, and we can use it to georeference the image. So let's go to find that program. Here is the program that SatyaChart is installed in, and if you go right to the bottom here, you'll see a program called View.exe. It comes with SatyaChart. It's an image editor. So we click on it, And we'll just make it big here. And then we'll open that there particular image file that we were just looking at. Okay, so it's this here one right here. We open it. And there it is. And it's very large. We can actually see all the data in it. And if we go right over to this here right hand side, the upper right, it has the latitude and the longitude of this point right here. So all we have to do is put our cursor on that point, and you probably can't see it, but down in the bottom of the view program, it tells you the X and Y offset of that point. So if we were to write that down, it's 8370 is the X and the Y is 297. And then if we were to go to the other side of the chart, and down at the bottom, and go to this point, it also has the longitude and the latitude of that point. So if we were to take it and look down at the bottom of the view program, it tells you the offset is 199 and the Y is 4168. So now we know the latitude and longitude. All we got to do is take and put that information in that other file, in this file, and there it is. Has the upper right point is the offset, is the X offset is this, the Y offset is this, and the latitude and the longitude. And rather than putting a symbol for degrees, you can just put the letter D here, and SatChart will know that this is it's the degrees. It's the degrees of that there point, followed by the minutes and the seconds and the direction. So that's what's in this here file. We created it like that. Now we can use it to create the chart. And by the way, if you go back to SatChart, where is it here? If you go to the help file and you go down here, there's a section on georeferencing an image. Where is it? Right here. Georeferencing images, and it tells you all about how to create those points. Okay, now let's create a georeference MB tiles from that there particular image that we were looking at. So if I go to SatChart here, all I have to do is click this georeference thing, and you notice it brings up a field over here to select the image. And the depth units, it actually said on that there chart, I didn't show you, but it said the depth units were fathoms. So we'll put fathom. Then we come over here and select the image. We go to our chart images again, and we look for that there Johnson Atoll PNG. We open it, and we press create chart. Okay, it created it. It put it in this directory. Let's go take a look at that directory. Where is it? Chart testing directory. It's right here. And there it is, the Johnson Atoll MB tiles. And that's all there is to creating the MB tiles from a georeferenced image. Okay, let's go display the chart we just created on OpenCPN. Let's go to OpenCPN here. We're going to do a scan for new charts. And notice we have our directory in here. Scan for new charts. And I actually mark where this here is so we can find it. Johnson Atoll. Center of the view. Okay, right there. And there's our file. Let's go take a look at it. There's our chart, rather. So there it is. The Johnston Atoll MB tiles. Okay, that's all there is to displaying it on OpenCPN. Okay, I showed you what a georeference image is, how we georeference it. We used the view exec to georeference that image, and then we created an MB tiles from that image, and we displayed it on OpenCPN. Thank you for watching.